Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or you can say delete Snapchat account via you can say app or via web. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
In the app, select your user icon in the upper left corner. Choose the settings gear. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings screen and select delete account. It's under the account actions heading. Log in on the next screen. Please note, if you have two-factor authorization set up, you'll need to enter the code during this process. Enter your username and password and then select continue to confirm. Your account is now deactivated. You'll receive some information about what happens next. If you do nothing in the next 30 days, Snapchat will delete your account. And you are done. Method to how to deactivate your Snapchat account from a web browser. Navigate to Snapchat in a web browser and sign in. Please note, if you have login verification enabled, a code will be texted to your mobile device that you will need to enter it into the given field in order to sign in. Under Manage My Account, select Delete My Account. Enter your login details in the fields on the following page and select Continue. Please note, once you deactivate your account, your friends will be unable to interact with you at all through your account. Be sure you want to do this in case you want to keep up any streaks, scores, or other conversations you have going. On the next page, you'll receive a message stating your account is in the process of being deactivated. Please note, if you open the mobile app, you should notice that your deactivation prompt will have caused you to be automatically signed out. To permanently delete your Snapchat account, you must wait 30 days after you deactivated your account. Your account will then be automatically deleted. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method, you can easily delete your Snapchat account. If you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.